Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll do a small birdhouse. It's a very simple build and we're going to end up with something like this. And it looks pretty cool, right? Right, no more talk, let's start building. I'm using beech for this project, but you can use any kind of wood that you've got lying around as long as it's suited for outdoor use. I'm using wood from my failed project pile, aka scrap pile. This is going to be the front and the back side, and I'll plane this down to about 19 or 20 mil or 3/4 of an inch. You're probably wondering why I made 3 of these. I want to be able to clean out the birdhouse every year. So this, I'll make a bigger hole in this one, and I'll mount this one with screws. So I'll be able to take this one out and then clean the inside. To close the birdhouse, I'll use these 20 by 30 mil pieces. Next up, I'll cut them in length and then round off all the edges. Everything is done and I'm ready for the assembly. But before I do that, I want to give it one coat of oil and then another after it's assembled. Ready for the assembly. I've made a hole 28 millimeters in diameter. Now this birdhouse is for one of the smallest birds in Denmark. So that's why it's not that big. Simple setup for the assembly. 1 clamp, 2 distance pieces, just to keep everything in place. And then I'll add these on one side, flip it around and do the other side. And I'll use my nail gun. And there you go, we're all done. I think it turned out pretty good. It doesn't really look like your average birdhouse, and I'm happy with that. Something that's different. Please do hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.